What do I do now that Grok has become a paid tool?
Grok has broken my heart. I am so heartbroken.
You see how beautiful these videos are? Yes, they were both created here on YouTube. Yes, free. You don't have to pay a dime. You don't need to sign up. Yes, you don't need to sign up. You don't need to pay a dime. So those of you that Grok has broken your heart, here is an alternative for you. And it is very, very free. You don't need to pay anything. You don't need to sign up. You don't need to register. All you have to do is just open up your YouTube app. Then continue with the. Here you can generate free images, generate free videos using just your prompt, generate free videos using your image. And another thing is this particular method can help you generate dialogue scenes. Yes, you can actually use this particular method to create long form videos like movie scenes. Yes, let's go. Let me show you how to do that. Head over to YouTube, click on that plus icon as if you want to record a video, then click on this AI icon. It will bring you to this particular interface. Here you have create video, you have make me move, photo to video, we have image, we have background, we have photo to video. So you just click on create a video because that's the first thing we are doing right away. So you select the video you want to and select the image you want to create a video for. Then you also input your prompt. Once you're done, click send. Then it will generate.
Grok has broken my heart. I am so heartbroken.
The next thing we'll be doing now is to create a video from a prompt. You know, the initial one we did was we used a prompt and an image, but now we're only using a prompt. So you just give it your prompt. Yeah. So once you're done giving your prompt, just click on the send arrow and allow it to generate. Yes.
What do I do now that Grok has become a paid tool?
You can post it out as shorts for YouTube, for your TikTok and all of that. Just click on next. Then you edit it the way you want. Then you send it. Upload. Yes. So next thing now is to make me move. You click on make me move. Then there are several motion style that are here. Yes, just select the one you feel you want to make use of. Once you are done, you click on the video picture you want to use. Then you allow it to process. This is the result. Yes, you can make use of any of those prompts, any prompts you feel you would want to. This is the result. So the next thing we are doing now is creating an image. Yes, to create an image, generate an image, you just give it your prompt, then select any of the styles. Select any of the styles, then you allow it to process. It's so fast and very, very easy. So this one, it gives us 4 different options. Yes, so just pick one and download. Then use it wherever you want to make use of it. Yeah. You can also create a dialogue scene using this particular method. Yes, not only can you create a single video, you can also create a dialogue scene. Yes, that means you can use this particular method to create movie.
So you are here busy with your laptop.
Where do you expect me to be?
So you are here busy with your laptop.
Where do you expect me to be?